Boracay Island, paradise found in the Philippines. Welcome to Boracay Island, the tropical escape where powdery white sand, crystal clear waters, and unforgettable island vibes come together. Famous for the stunning white beach, Boracay is one of the most beautiful beach destinations in the world. Imagine walking along soft white sand while turquoise waves sparkle under the sun. Start your adventure with breathtaking drone shots of the coastline, then dive into exciting water activities like parasailing, paddleboarding, snorkeling, and island hopping. Every corner of Boracay feels like a postcard come to life. As the sun begins to set, the island transforms into pure magic. Golden skies, beachfront dining, live music, and glowing fire dance performances create the perfect tropical evening. And when night falls, Boracay's vibrant nightlife comes alive with beach bars, music, and nonstop energy. Whether you're chasing relaxation, adventure, or the ultimate island life experience, Boracay Island is a destination you'll never forget. Mabuhay and Pilipinas!